Hey everyone, welcome back to Glerner, where we explore the latest tech innovations and breakthroughs that are changing the world. If you're passionate about technology, future trends, and how AI and robotics are transforming our lives, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe for more insightful videos. In today's video, we're looking at the top 5 robots that are changing the world in 2024. These robots are at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. Let's dive right in. Introduction. Opening line, welcome to Glerner, your go-to channel for the latest in tech and innovation. Today, we're diving into the top 5 robots that are transforming the world in 2024. Look, from healthcare to industrial automation, these robots are not only futuristic but are already shaping the way we live. Let's jump in. Robot 1. Tesla Bot, humanoid robot. Tesla's humanoid robot, expected to revolutionize manual labor by performing tasks that are boring, repetitive, or even dangerous. Key features: artificial intelligence-driven, capable of navigating complex environments, and can interact with humans and surroundings efficiently. Impact: Tesla Bot is aimed at revolutionizing industries like manufacturing, household chores, and customer service, reducing the need for human labor in mundane tasks. Robot 2, Atlas by Boston Dynamics. Overview: a bipedal humanoid robot known for its agility and advanced movement capabilities. Key features: capable of performing tasks like parkour, lifting, and manipulating objects with incredible precision. Impact: Atlas is playing a major role in search and rescue missions and could assist in construction and hazardous environments, drastically improving efficiency and safety. Robot 3, Da Vinci Surgical Robot. A highly advanced robot used in minimally invasive surgeries, revolutionizing the healthcare sector. Key features: provides surgeons with greater precision, dexterity, and control during operations. It allows for faster recovery and smaller incisions. Impact: with the rise of AI in healthcare, the Da Vinci Surgical Robot is making complex surgeries safer and more efficient. Robot 4, Spot by Boston Dynamics. A quadrupedal robot designed for a wide range of industries, including construction, energy, and public safety. Key features: Spot can navigate rough terrain, carry payloads, and perform inspections in dangerous environments. Impact: Spot is used for monitoring hazardous areas like oil rigs, construction sites, and disaster zones, reducing human exposure to risk. Robot 5, Optimus by Hanson Robotics. A humanoid robot designed for customer interaction, entertainment, and education. Key features: highly realistic facial expressions, conversational abilities, and a focus on emotional intelligence. Impact: Optimus is helping in fields like education, retail, and hospitality, making human-robot interaction more seamless and user-friendly. Conclusion. Wrap up, and there you have it, the top 5 robots that are reshaping our world in 2024. Whether it's healthcare, industry, or our daily lives, these robots are making significant strides. Call to action. If you found this video